Hey, to connect CMF Buds Pro 2 into your Windows PC, first of all, you will have to place both earbuds inside the case. Then you will have to click and hold this small button until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go. Now you can actually release this, and as you can see, we already got this quick pairing. So if you also have this, click on the connect and you will be connected. But I'm going to show you also step by step how to do this for all of you that actually doesn't have this. So you will have to open the settings on your PC and then go into the left side and open Bluetooth and devices. Then you will have to turn on Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher and select Add Device. Next, you will have to select Bluetooth device. And from this list, you will have to select CMF Buds Pro 2. So tap on them once, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. You can find it just right here. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.